Removing the screen and sliding sash. Unlock the window locks. Slide the sash into the middle of the window frame. Remove the interior sliding sash by lifting the sash up into the top track. Rotate the bottom of the sash out. Pull the sash down. The screen is held in place by tension springs. Removing the screen by pulling on the screen tab only can cause damage to the screen. Squeeze the left side of screen into the screen track towards center support brace. At the same time, pull the release tabs on the right. To reinstall the screen, insert the left side of the screen into the screen track. Squeeze the left side of the screen into the track while pushing the right side of the screen into the right screen track. To reinstall the interior sliding sash, place the top of the sash into the top track. Rotate the bottom of the sash in and lower the sash into the track. Slide the interior sash closed and lock.